Hello guys, you all are welcome to our channel. Watch this video completely. Don't skip this video in the middle and in the beginning. If you are skipping this video in the middle or in the beginning, it means that you are not much more interested in AutoCAD. You are strongly interested, but while you are seeing this video is lengthy, you do not want to watch this video furthermore. But these things you are doing, that is absolutely wrong. So watch this video. So give a time and learn these basics of this tutorial. So how to make this door. So as you can see, this is the main door and this is the single door, means this have only one side opening, but this have two sides, means you can see this is the main door. Generally we are keeping this door in the main gate, and this is in the simple inside of the house, in the some room bedroom doors. So what you need to do means, today I am going to tell you that how to make this door and how to make the door as your block. So as you can see, this block means, may you all have known about block. So what is the block means, if you have created this door and you need to apply this door in this plan, suppose, so you need to copy paste, and you need to sometime you need to draw this more times, means many times. So to make these things easier and some complexity should be negligible, so make this as a door. So before starting this video, I need to tell you that how to make this door in a very good and simple way, so that you have much more idea regarding that, and you need to able for many more things like windows and doors. I will tell you the dimensions of also. So if you want to draw a main door, so you need to provide some this width should be, this here to here width should be 4 feet or 5 feet, so that will be good for you. So, and if you are single door, so you need to go with the 3 feet. So generally keep the minimum dimension of a door as a width is 3 feet for normal bedroom, drawing room, any room. But if we are talking about some bathroom, toilet, like this, some stairs, then go for 2.5 feet width of the door. So, and if I am talking about this main door, make it as a 5 feet. That will be better, because that will be your main door. So that, so I'm going to tell you that how to make this door. So go for line command. As you know, before going to line command, you need to manage your unit. So I hope you all about unit setup. Go for un, enter it. Now go for architectural. So if you are doing this, for you there will be decimal, but if you have previously managed this, then this should be in architectural. Make it as architectural, and this should be inches. So just click it. Okay, now go to l command. So this comes in blue, so make it this blue as a red one. Now your ortho should on. Go for line command. So I have already told you that the minimum width of this single door, means the door having only one panel, go for 3 feet. Click it. Now you can see that, escape it, this is your 3 feet width. So however the width you have taken, in the same way you need to take its length also. Just go for line command, just its endpoint, just go for 3 feet. Click it, escape it. Actually we need this only, but however the things you are taking, just things will be as it is. So the dimension should be as it is. How much this should be the same. Go for r command. So a, simply a, click it. Okay, this is the best way for making a door. Just click its endpoint. Once you click, now your ortho on. Now you need to off it. Function key plus f8. Now you just click anywhere of this space. Just I have clicked it. Now just this endpoint, click it, escape it. You were thinking that this is not a arc, so just click it once. Now you can see this point. Just once you click and just drag it from your mouse, you can see this looks like an arch, but the arch is all things which we needed. Actually that is the door. Just click it, okay, skip it. Now what you need to do means, you don't want this, trim it, just delete this. So you can see this is not trimmed, so just select it and delete it. Now you are thinking that it looks like a door, but you, one thing I need to tell you that this is the door, but before placing the door you have some thickness of this, because we have some, what is that called, before means the door thickness at the end, this you can see, and here. So what you need to do, just go for offset command of 3 inches, just click it, the thickness of this length will be 3 inches thickness. Just go for click it. Now escape it. Now you can see that it has been increased quite more. Just go for trim command, double enter, just trim it, escape it. Now after that, just join this. I have joined it, escape it. Now you need to understand that the things, you cannot place this door directly. You need something that will be attached with the wood of this concrete level. So before doing this, just go for rec command. I need to draw. Now go for thickness of 3 inches comma 6 inches. You may confusion that why I am doing this, so you will able to understand why when I completed with this. Once you click it, now go for 3 inches comma 6 inches, click it. Now this is our main motto. So by seeing this you may understand that this is our 3 inch, this length, this will be our 6 inches. Now just select it. Now go for copy command, co. Now what you need to do is just go and click it here. Now just drag it and just paste it here, but you can see it not pasted. Now you need to go with this. Now skip it. After that, what I did here, just select it, just go for m command. Now click it here and just its endpoint, escape it. Now you have understand that. But before you understanding this, if you going to place it, then you will understand this will be the things that will be inside of this concrete. Means this will be attached to this concrete of this wall, and this will be our door. This will be the inner part of this door. Means this will not appear, this will be appear when in its section. If you cut the building wall, at the time only you will get this. After that, this is our single panel door, so I need to go for double panel door as a main gate. Now what I need to do means, so if I will be do with the mirror, that will be good, but for you, just select it. Now just copy this, just go for, because I need to do block also now, I already told you about this. I have copied it. Now escape it. Now just delete this. Now you need to delete this also. After that, just select this arc only. Now go for mirror command mi. Now just click and just do ortho shoot on, just no, you can see, escape it. After that, what I need to do means, just go for line command of, as I already told you, 3 feet. Now it becomes total 6 feet. So but this is the double panel, so I need to do with the 3 feet. Now skip it. After that, again go for offset command with the 3 inches. Now go for line command, skip it. What I need to do means, I need this rectangle, so I'm going to, again I have here, I'm going to copy from this, select it, go for copy command. I can take the copy from that also, just drag it. Now I have did here ortho on. Now I need to off the ortho, just click it here, escape it. Now you can see our main door has been done. So you have some problem that I have taken the distance 6 feet, but I have to only here 3 feet. Yeah, you are right that I have did. I should not do like this. So for understanding purpose, I only told you like that. Now I need to do a block. So just one select this. Now go for join this, joined. Now once you click, it has been joined. Now go for group G, enter this. Now I need to place this in my block. So go for insert command. Now go for create block, create block. Now it says that name of this block, simply door. Click it. Now specify pick point. So center, this will be the pick point. Now after that specify on the screen, no needed. Select object, go for select object. What object you need to select? Select this all. After that go for right click, you can see this. After that annotative, as you know, the same skill what we have drawn here. Now go for ok. Now what you need to do, just go and see that whether it has been blocked or not. So how you see, once you click it here, you can see this door has been attached with here. So this is our block. Now if I need to take this block, means door, so just click and wherever you want to add this you can add. If I need to add here in this, but you can see I have not leave a more space for suitable of this, so that I'm not eligible for this, means I'm not able to attach here. So the same thing you can do for here also. Select this, go for join command. Now go for group it G. Now what you need to do, go for insert. Now create block. Now name of this, so door. So it will say that this will be existed. Go for 1 to pick point. Select it base only, no need to select any other things of that annotative. Select object, so I need the whole object for my block. Now I need to go for right click. Now okay. Now you just go for home, just go for insert. Now you can see this door 1 2 has also been attached. After escape it, now I need to tell you that I need to attach this, but this all videos for you, means this tutorial is belongs to you only, not from me. So don't, if you do not want to subscribe it, it's fine, but please watch this video and gain something. So just I need to do with the insert, click it. I need this, I have clicked. Now I need to paste it. So you can see how could I paste it, because this is not in this direction, it's not vertical direction, it's a horizontal direction. So just click it. Now select this. How you can get horizontal direction, just go for mirror command, mi for mirror. Don't go mirror command without selection of this, select it first. Now go for mirror. So you can see this, you need like this, right? So go for rotate command, ro for rotate. Now select its base. You can see this is ortho is on. So in this I need. Now go for co copy command. Now you can select here, you need to select here, then only you can go with that. Now your ortho should off. After that, where I need to keep, you can see here. So I have selected wrong place. Once you skip it while clicking this, I need to go for move command. Just you select this, so that only you can see. But this also not in the same place. Go for Control Z. Once again select it, M command. Just go with this. After that, just its endpoint. Skip it. Now you can see this is the right way of doing this. So you can see like this way you need to keep for all, so that only your plan or your drawings may be attractive for your clients. As I have told you the many more things regarding my tutorial, this is very useful to you. but that's depend on you how you are using this. So before understanding this means, if you have understand and you think that you are able to make understanding to your friend, that will be good for you. This is the way of teaching and gaining some knowledge. So that this is the very good platform. So you can see this is the plan, and I have told you about this door and all. So here in insert also you have get these two, and now you can take it from here. After that, what I need to tell you that, as I have told you the mistake, so before I need to have some door with this space, with the main door, trim it. This extra line we need to delete this. Now go for dimension check. This video really helps you. So now measure what is the distance. So this comes like this. Click it here. Its end point to this end point. This is completely 4 feet. So you understand that this is 4 feet. If you are going to draw a two panel door, then you need to go with the 2 feet. Like example I am giving you for your understandable purpose. Go for line command. Just function key should off means your ortho should on. So go for 2 feet. See, skip it. I have drawn this as a 2 feet. But what the things I need? 4 feet, right? So again go for line command with, so I have taken the 2 feet. What do you think that you again go for 2 feet for upper also, for length also. Now what you need to do, just go for art command of A, click it. Now your ortho should off. Just click it, just paste it, escape it. Now once you click and you drag it so that it looks like a door. Now it looks like a door. After that, go for offset command with the 3 inches thickness of this wood. Now go for trim command. Just trim this, escape it. Now in my time I was facing a lot of problem while doing this, so that I am going to tell you the each and every point, so that you need not to have lot of problem regarding this. So that I am telling you each and every point in a very genuine and simple way. 3 inches comma 6 inches. Select this, go for copy command, click it here. Just, sorry, this comes in the middle. Select this, go for M command, just drag this, go for copy. So here I don't want any copy command, just delete this. After that, what I need to do, just go for select, go for mirror command, just do it mirror. Your ortho should on for mirror. Do no. What I need to do means, just go for line command, just go with the plus means control Z, you know, 2 feet, escape it. Now copy this, go for CO command, just here to here, escape it. Now what I need to do means, I can take from insert also, but for this plan I didn't made the door for this, so that I need to draw this. So go for copy. So I have selection of this, means I have selected that. Now your ortho should off. What I need to do means, I will here, once I select this here, and now go for selection of this. Now go for M command. So I will select this point. Now you can see this is my door. But one thing what I mistake here, so just go for offset command with the 3 inches. Now that was the problem for that. Now go for line command. So just drag it. Now there is nothing problem, just go for deletion of this by this way. You can see my main door also ready. Now you can attach it as a block, and now you will work with that. So if you have any doubt regarding my channel or regarding my any plan and views, if you have any doubt, the things you need to learn from me genuinely, please text me or commenting me. I will definitely, I will do homework for you, and I will solve your problem. So thank you for watching this video.